Hey everyone, today I'm making a review of my Bialetti Moka Express, and it is one of the most popular brands as far as espresso making little machines, not machine, but kettle, I guess you could say. And I'm going to be doing a demonstration of it. It's a very excellent product. I've had it for maybe 2.5 years now, and I love it. It's good for indoor and outdoor use. Let's go ahead and show you how it works. All right, first I'm gonna grind up the coffee. I don't know if you've ever seen this hand manual coffee grinder. It's really awesome. But I definitely recommend getting one if you don't have one. Great for indoor, outdoor use. I'm gonna probably make another video on this just because I love this product. I've also had it for a very long time. And it's stainless steel, never like any scratches or anything. Anyways, this is not about this grinder. It's about the Bialetti. All right, so anyways, I'm just taking the coffee beans, which I put in here, and then I'm just grinding them into powder. And you'll see in a minute. I'm sorry if this video is getting a little annoying with the movement. Okay, there we go. So now I'm gonna unscrew it. And we have coffee powder. So I'm putting it in. Okay. All right, so the next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew this. And you'll see there's this piece right here that's just, this is where you put the coffee powder in here, or espresso powder. And this is where you put the water. So let me go ahead and fill this up with water first. And you generally don't want to fill it all the way to the top. Maybe up to here, somewhere around here. So I'll go ahead and fill this with water right now. Let me adjust it so you can see. So, I don't know if you can quite see, but you see there's water coming in. This is a very low technology video. I'm not doing one of those crazy fancy edits because in the end, all we care about is information, right? Well, okay, so I put a little bit too much water, which means that when I put it in, it's gonna seep through. I don't know if you can see how there's water seeping through? You definitely, that's too much water then. So that's a good way of gauging. I'm gonna dump some out. Okay, so now I got about the right amount of water. And simply, next, we're just gonna go ahead and put the powder inside. Be careful, it could be a messy process, but you'll get the hang of it after a while. Then you just wanna go ahead and fill it all up. Fill it all up. All right, so that's about good. You know, you could probably put a little bit more. Scrape the excess off with your knife or something. But just for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm not gonna go all complicated or anything. All right, you see how it's pretty much filled? All right, and that's it. We're ready to go now. So just go ahead and screw this back in. Okay, now we're ready for the stove. All right, now we're ready to heat it up. And you can use electric or gas, but this thing is way too small. And you're gonna find this happens pretty often. So there are attachments, or you can actually change this, but who's gonna do that, right? So here's a little trick. I use this little barbecue grill, you know, like the kind where you could put fish inside. And then I put that on top, and now I could put it in the center. Voila! So that's a little extra bonus for you in this video. Now all we're gonna do is go ahead and turn it to the very lowest heat. I'm gonna turn off the vent and kind of show you guys. Let me adjust it just a little bit higher. Okay, like I said, this is a very low-tech video, but gets the point done, right? This is all you care about. How does this Bialetti Moka Express kettle espresso maker? I call it the coffee maker. I'm American, but yeah, I mean, it makes espresso. It's gonna be very strong. And so I'll probably make another video add-on how to make it into Americano. But let's go. Let's see how long it takes. All right, we see the steam coming out. It's getting ready. It's almost ready. Once you start to see a lot of steam come out, you can kind of go ahead and give it a little check. And now you'll see we're pretty much ready now. See, it's filled up. So then I just have to turn off the heat, the heat, not the feet. Oh, once again from the top view. Ooh, look at this espresso. And just let it cool off for a little bit. But once you do, now I don't have a espresso cup, but all you have to do is go ahead and pour. Now, I believe this is a 3 cups, so I can pour 3 cups of espresso. And espresso, usually you don't pour more than about this amount. If you don't know, watch The Sopranos. But yeah, this is basically how it works. I'll pour a little bit more, because I like it. I like strong. All right, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this Bialetti Moka Express. Highly recommended, great gift, good for indoor and outdoor and traveling. You know, I would travel a lot before, and I would bring this with me if it wasn't too heavy with my other stuff. But yeah, this thing is also very good quality, and it will last you years. I mean, I've heard people say they've had this for 10 to 20 years. So yeah, not bad. Highly recommended. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really appreciate it. See you guys next time. And yeah, definitely recommend getting one. Bye-bye.